Medic 33, medical assist. 33 medical assist at 10046 South Alley Chuck Road for an echo level response for a cardiac arrest. Cross streets of West Strait Road and West Boss Road. It's going to be for a 77-year-old male, not conscious, not breathing. CPR is in progress. 2237.
Dispatch, Medic 33.
Medic 33, go ahead.
33, can you check the availability of a helicopter first responder status? If available, launch to scene on V-Fire 21. Medic 33 is ground POC.
33, I copy. Dispatch, Medic 33.
Medic 33, copies low, just note. Care Flight 66 with a 22-minute ETA if accepted.
Medic 33, copy, as well as engine being 20 minutes out. Dispatch to Medic 33, be advised, Care Flight 66 has accepted with a 20-minute ETA. They are first responder status.
3 copy.
Dispatch to Medic 33.
Go for 33.
Dispatch to Medic 33. Per Kingman Fire radio, they were advised that the patient is beyond help. Did you want to continue Care Flight 66?
Dispatch, Medic 33, you can go ahead and cancel Care Flight. We're going to continue to scene until 135 confirms dead.
Medic 33, I copy.
Dispatch, Medic 33.
Medic 33, go ahead.
Dispatch, Medic 33, do we have MCSO responding?
Medic 33, I'm unaware if MTSO is responding. I'll give them a call to confirm.
Copy.
Dispatch to Medic 33.
33.
Medic 33, MTSO is en route. They have a 25-minute ETA.
33, copy.
DLS 51, medical assist. DLS 51, medical assist at 3150 Harrison Street, Unit 218, for an alpha low response for a sick person. It's going to be for a 73-year-old male, conscious and breathing, cross streets of Detroit and Beverly Avenue, 2309. Dispatch to Medic 33, be advised you guys were canceled by fire.